Hello, eights. I'm going to try to be super quick because this is just meant to be an intro. So if you come here, you'll see things from this week, mostly just saying complete and submit or resubmit old assignments. You should have feedback on a bunch of your LMS assignments, so you can use that feedback to complete and resubmit things. But if you're one of these people, I say, if you have turned in all assignments for math and you have a 9 or 10, then you have 3 options for what you could work on. So option 1, you may work on assignments for another class. That's fine with me. If you are caught up and being a rock star in math, but you need more time in another class, fine. You can go ahead and allocate that time. Options 2 and 3 are both extra credit assignments, and they're both attached here. They're not meant for you to do both, but if you have the time, I don't really care if you want to. But they're meant for you to choose one. I posted them both because I'm not sure everyone will find both interesting. So I'm just giving you a choice. This is the video that you're watching, so you can see the video link right now is not enabled. Here's your options. So one option is just a sampling scenario, and you probably have all seen competitions like this. If you go to a fair or I don't know what another name for a fair is, a circus maybe, large gatherings of people even in the market possibly. So, sometimes you'll see games like this. It's especially common, I've seen in a lot of different towns in the United States, where we have some sort of jar filled with some sort of object, and you have to guess how many exactly are there. The key here is that it should all be related to volume, and you should be using the volume formulas that we've learned this year. So looking at the volume of the jar and the volume of the beans and the wasted space that goes into this, how many jelly beans are there? Or how many black jelly beans are there as an extension? Make sure you use math to justify your answers. So there should be maybe some diagrams to figure out what to do with the extra wasted space. This is a strange object. It's not exactly a prism. Probably saying too much. So justify your answers with math. Good. The other possibility is dealing with product testing. So if we have a new product, in this case, we're looking at 2 different deodorant smells, Bouquet A and B, and 2 different looks on the can of deodorant, Hunter A and B. So we have different marketing here, and then we have a different actual deodorant product here. So the question is like, how can we optimize our sales? What's the best choices? Would it be Bouquet A in can Hunter A or some other combination? So that said, it sets up the exact same idea as here when you read through. Here's an example of a ballot that this person gave to someone. This obviously was a man that filled it out, and you can see they did not like Bouquet A, but they really liked Bouquet B. And they thought Hunter A is fine, like it's an okay looking can, but Hunter B is better. So given this ballot, if this were every person that thought this way, we should produce Bouquet B in can Hunter B, and that would optimize our profit, our sales, I guess our revenue, and assuming the cost is the same, it would maximize our profit. So I want you to answer questions like, how would you go about analyzing this data? If you had a bunch of these ballots, how would you go about making a choice? Because like some people are going to like B, some people like A, votes will be split. How do you go about like tabulating and making this choice? That's great. Give me that description. When you finish that and submit it, then I will send you a series of ballots. So you can see down here, I have a whole bunch of ballots that are filled out, and I want you then to like take those ballots and like make a choice. Tell me what's the best that Judy with her business can do. Those are the 2 activities you have the options for. If you choose the testing a product, let me know when you finish the first part, and I will send you the ballots. Have a great day, eights. As always, let me know if you have any questions or issues, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.